Hey, hi guys. This is another question that came in at Diva's 2 cents. Ask Diva at Diva's 2 cents, okay? What is considered rental income? Okay, for you realtors out there or even real estate investors that are out there and you're receiving rents, according to the IRS, all gross income, all the amounts that you receive as rental income for any payment or any payment that you receive for the use or occupancy of property that you own, you must report as rental income for all your properties. Now, some of you are under accrual accounting and some of you are under cash accounting, but I'm talking about cash accounting, okay? You sole proprietors out there that have these rentals out there, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay? Especially if you come to me and you have 10 properties, you're going to report everything for those 10 properties. So don't think you're going to get away with just reporting for 8 and not the 10, or mixing the expenses for each of the properties. Because I have a nice little worksheet that I'll be more than glad to share with any of the realtors or any of the real estate investors out there. I'll be more than glad to send it to you. So just reach out to me. But what about canceling of the leases? When somebody cancels the lease and you decide to keep some of their, and they pay you for canceling that lease, that's income that you have to report as well. The other question was on security deposits. Now, if a person pays you the first month and the last month's rent for a lease, and you should be reporting it on the year in the year that you got it, except there's an exception. If your plan is to return that security deposit, okay, you'll have it on your balance sheet, but you're not going to expense that out. Now, if you took some of that, let's say somebody moved out and you did remove and deduct some of it from their security deposit, then the amount that you deducted should be included in that rental income. As rental income, okay? So how about the tenant that wants to paint the apartment or do some work in the apartment and deduct it from their rent? You should also be included. You do not leave it as that you didn't receive rent for 2 months or so. You should take that into consideration and report it accordingly. I hope that helps for you real estate investors out there that want that little rental sheet, cheat sheet that I have. Reach out to me, Diva's 2 cents. And if you have any more questions, ask Diva. Send me an email, diva@divas2cents.com. Thank you very much. And that, my friend, is Diva's 2 cents.